Hello, I'm Sebastian. Welcome to my channel. Let's see today how we can reinforce our immune system in a natural way. I have a simple recipe that can be done every day. So, I will use green corn pepper. I already have something here. And honey. I prefer to use unfiltered honey that's mixed with beeswax, but we can use any honey, any type of honey. The green corn pepper has a very strong, specific, exotic flavor, so I prefer to grind it in a traditional, natural way. I already grind some. Now I'm going to use just a little bit. I will have a teaspoon full of honey, also. This honey is a little bit solid and it's better to mix for this recipe. So I will add a little bit of pepper on top, and I will take this on an empty stomach in the morning before having my breakfast. This might not be the tastiest thing ever, but it sure helps with the immune system. So I wish you all the best. Thank you.